guys, in this particular video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys step by step on how you can actually use an AI trading bot to make money on daily basis. So I'm gonna be sharing this particular strategy live here. Okay, I'm gonna be sharing it step by step live so that you can see actually how I can be able on your own, you can be able to achieve this strategy, okay, and use it to make money. Okay, so even as a beginner you can use this strategy because it doesn't require any experience. Okay, it's just a very simple way you can actually use in crypto to make money on daily basis. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up the notification bell. Okay, also remember to join my free Telegram group. The link is down below this video. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, so this particular video is for step-by-step guide on how you can actually make money from the crypto space. If you doesn't understand how crypto space work, you can actually lose money. Okay, so make sure you understand it first. Make sure you have come for a step-by-step guide before you jump into it. Okay, so now this particular strategy is very simple way which you can use to make money, because this is a AI trading bot, and remember, this particular AI trade for you on daily basis. So stick to the end so that you can understand how it actually work. Okay, so if you take a look at this particular place, you can see that this particular place is a AI trading algorithm of the future. Okay, so the bot analyzes the market before it carry out trade. Okay, so and it's very profitable. So the next thing which we're gonna be doing now is to make a deposit to this particular bot. Remember, I told you I'm gonna be doing it live. Okay, stick to the end so that you can actually understand how it actually work and how you can make money from it. So I'm gonna be using USDT TRC20, and I'm gonna be starting with as low as 100 USDT, so you can actually understand how it work. Okay, to copy the address, you doesn't require any experience. Even as a beginner, a professional, you can easily do this on daily basis to make money. You can make 20%, 50, 100, depending on how the market is as of that particular day. Remember, this particular bot costs 46 USDT. Okay, it costs 42 USDT. So I'm gonna be going ahead to make withdrawal to deposit on this particular my own account. Okay, remember, if you doesn't have up to 46 USDT to buy this particular bot, the next thing which you're gonna be doing is to join my VIP group. Okay, so I'm gonna be withdrawing this particular I already have 100 USDT here, so I'm gonna withdraw the 100 USDT here. So if you don't have up to 46 USDT to buy the bot, what you need to do is to join my VIP group. And for you to join my VIP group, it costs you only 30 USDT for you to join the VIP. So once you join the VIP group, I will give you a link to this particular bot. Okay, I will give you the premium bot once you have joined the my VIP. So as you can see over here, I have input 100 USDT already. So let's go ahead and withdraw. Even if you doesn't have Binance, you can use any wallet that you have. You can use your Luno, you can use your Trust wallet, you can use your Binance, Bybit, Mexi, any exchange in the world you can use it. So I'm gonna go ahead to input my authentication. So as you can see over here, I've withdrawn my money. Over here you can see it's now on process. So let's go back to the bot. So as you can see over here, my money have actually arrived here. So I'm gonna go ahead to start trading this particular boat. Okay, so the next thing is for you to come over to this top right hand corner here, where you're gonna be seeing the what we are gonna be trading, because I'm gonna do it live here so you can understand how it actually works. So number one is that we have dollar cost average boat here, and we have Bitcoin accumulation. Okay, and we also have ETH Pro. Okay, so the one which we're gonna be focusing right here is Bitcoin accumulation. Okay, remember, this is very, very simple. Okay, once you have made a deposit to your boat, the next thing is for you to start trading. Okay, once the market is stable, it goes ahead to start trading. So you can see this is Bitcoin accumulation. So I'm gonna be selecting BTC, then impute my 100 USDT here. So you can see I've impute my 100 USDT, then you go ahead to save it. Okay, so once you have saved it, over here you can see where they say start BA boat, that is Bitcoin accumulation boat. Okay, so the next thing for you to do is to click it. Okay, so this is it. Once you have clicked it, this particular boat goes ahead to start trading. You can start once you have purchased this boat or gain access to this boat. You can just start with as low as 20 USDT. Okay, so this is it. The boat have actually started trading. You can see that. Okay, so once the boat have traded for a little bit, I'm gonna allow it to trade, then we'll come back for in the next 5 minutes. We'll come back to see our profit that we have made. Okay, so after some minutes, can you see what we have actually made? Remember, we started this with as low as 100 USDT. On your own, you can start with 20 USDT. Okay, it's not much that you do what I'm doing. No more, you have to have up to 100 or 200 USDT. So you can see where we are right now. Okay, the bull have carried out some certain trade here for some amount of trade, and you can see this is the first run. We are almost at 300 USDT here. You can see that. So now I'm gonna be pausing the video here because the boat have actually made some profit, and you can see this is a real account that we are actually trading. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video here so we can actually go ahead to make withdrawal. So you can see I've paused the video at 301 USDT. Remember, we started with 102. So now we are at we have 403.90 USDT. So I'm gonna go ahead to make a withdrawal right now. Okay, you can see this is my Binance. So I'm gonna be copying my my USDT TRC20 to make a withdrawal from this particular boot. Okay, so you can actually see this is a mind blowing. Okay, and it's actually working. There's a lot of profit to make from this particular place. So now I'm gonna go ahead to make withdrawal. Okay, you can see that once you have clicked the withdrawal, it will bring you to USDT TRC20 or BTC, any one you want to use. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this USDT. So I'm gonna impute the amount I'm gonna withdraw, which is 400, and you can see I've already copied the address from my Binance. So I'm gonna paste my address. So I'm gonna be making it 403, so that it will cover the withdrawal. Okay. So you can see I've pasted my address here. The next is for me to click withdraw. So you can see withdrawal request submitted. Okay, so you can see over here is now pending. You can see other trade that we have done here, which is approved and approved. So this particular one we're gonna actually wait for some time to see the money in this particular place. Okay, so you can see we have actually carried out many other trades here, which we are very, very profitable. So I will give it. I start giving out. Okay, so you can see the money have actually gone out. You can see approved. So the money have been withdrew to our Binance. So we're gonna go back and to confirm this particular money. So you can start join us. You can send me message on WhatsApp, you can send me message on Telegram if you want to get started. You can see we just got message from Binance over here saying that we have gotten 400. You can see, let me refresh it now. So you can see that, so you can see that. So they actually took 2 USDT and gave us 401 USDT. So you can see that. So this is a mind-blowing. You can join us and start making money. Okay, get the boat and start making money. Peace out.